like a kid.
Christy!
When your words mean nothing, I go la la la. I'm turning up the volume when you speak.
What's up, guys? Ace Art here, back again with some more reactions. Yes, and yes. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you guys all over the world? How are you doing? So, if you're new here, my name is Ace. I'm from the Caribbean, in the Caribbean right now. Yep. So, if you're new here, let me know where you're from. Go down in the comment section, let me know. Hey, say, hey, Ace, I'm from this country, this and that. You know, it's fun. Makes it interesting. Yeah, so today, guys, more Pentatonix, or tonic for some people. Yeah, see what I did there? So today we're gonna look at Latch. Well, I'm not sure that's how the original song stated. Yeah, I don't know. But it's Sam Smith, Disclosure, Naughty Boy. So it's I know this one is cover of my ears like a kid. And then your words mean nothing, I go lie. I know this one. I used to, man, jam to this song a lot when it came out. So ladies and gentlemen, yes. So if you want, you can put down some information down in the comment section for me. Let me know a couple of things here, you know, before we begin. Yeah, I can do this. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead. Cheers. Yeah. Ooh, pressure. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So without further ado, guys, let's get into this. Hey!
Lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
Wait, is that two songs? Because I know this song. Yeah, I know Disclosure's in that. Oh, it shows mash up. Oh, I'm guessing the I forgot if it's White something. I forgot the song he's singing there. Oh, so it's more than one. My bad, guys. I'm sorry. I didn't read.
You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
Hey!
I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. Don't speak.
Yeah, we're there.
When you spit your venom, keep it shut. I hate it when you hiss and preach by your new messiah, 'cause your theories catch fire. I can't find
Hey!
silver lining.
I don't need to. Hey!
But when you read your speech, it's tiring.
Enough is enough.
Covering my ears like a kid.
Christy!
When your words mean nothing, I go la la la. I'm turning up the volume when you speak. If my heart can't stop it, I'll find a way to block it. I go la 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 la.
Hey! Hey! Man, this is fire! Yo, man, I remember this song, man. But it really seems like two songs here. I know the first part you were singing is it's like it's Disclosure and is it White Shadow? Well, White something? Because I remember the song. I used to have it for sure. But I used to have it. Yeah, I remember it very well, very well. But I gotta say, this is pretty nice, pretty epic. I'm sweating here, but you can't see. Kind of John Cena, you can't see. Ladies and gentlemen, man, let me know what you think about this here right here. I'm having a good time for sure. Hope you guys are too. It's what? It's Thursday. Well, I'm gonna put this today, so hopefully it's not gonna be blocked. Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get back in this.
I'm so encaptured. I'm
The tempo. Whoa, no, let me hear this again. Wow, man, my boy just boom, and it dun 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 dun. This is new to me, and I'm seeing they're not putting it apart because when she said la 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 do da dee da dee do that, I was waiting for that part. That's why I said it, but you know, maybe copyright reasons. I don't know. Who knows? You know, who knows? Maybe it's very hard to actually you know, do that. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm just saying things, you know, guys. So take me for a grain of salt. Like this guy. What do you call this guy? Let's go.
I'm so enraptured, got me wrapped up in your touch.
Dun dun dun.
I'm so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch.
Yo!
How do you do it? You got me losing every
Dun dun dun. It never came.
breath you give me to make my heart beat out my chest.
Whoa!
I won't let go of you.
Wow.
Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Never let go, I won't let go.
Find your silver lining. I don't mean to judge.
You're safe.
Enough is enough. Covering my ears like a kid. I'm rushing on you. I'm turning up when you speak. If my heart can't stop it, I'll find a way to block it. I go la 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 la. Hey! La 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 la.
Wait. You heard this, guys. Wow, I love that. I can't do it, but you know, I can listen to it again.
Block it, I go la 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 la
This is nice now. This is nice. It's not nice. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think about this one here. And this one is absolutely gorgeous. Pretty nice. Pretty nice, my friend. This is all good. I like it. Nothing wrong about it. I don't think that anything bad. Little folk, let me know that anything wrong with it. Guys, let me know. Let me know. You know, this is really out there, man. I remember this song, you know, when it came out here. I think I misbehaved in class when that came out. Well, not when that came out. I think I told a teacher I'm covering my ears like a kid. I think she put me out. Sorry. This maybe didn't need to come out, you know. I think my mother's watching my streams too. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think about this one here. I love this song so much, and it like I said, I don't know the other Disclosure song. I forgot this song. The song is there a while, but it's nice to actually hear this again, which is pretty darn nice. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think about this one here, and yeah, I'll get back to you guys for sure. So ladies and gentlemen, it's been fun. I gotta run. I gotta do more. If you want some more Pentatonix, let me know which one do you guys want. I think I'm gonna do one more after this again. I'm doing a lot of Pentatonix. I'm really feeling the vibe. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know. So now without further ado, wow guys, I am tripping. These extra stout things, guys, be careful with this, okay? So guys, thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I will see you guys back on the next ones. Everybody, take care.